Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube video today. Today I will be showing you how I make my delicious, healthy, and super easy homemade granola. As you can see, I have already added my butter. And one thing I want to let you guys know, always check the description box for the full recipe and all of the measurements. So I've added my butter. We just want this to melt. As you guys can see, my butter is melting nicely. You guys see that? Now we want to add in our maple syrup. Going to add our brown sugar in. I'm going to pour in our vanilla flavoring. Going to add in a pinch of salt. Going to add in our cinnamon. Add in our oatmeal. Right here you can just see that I am pressing out my granola, and you guys, this granola is perfect for breakfast or a snack. This granola is now ready to go in the oven, so I'm going to pop it in the oven and I'll be back later. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, our granola is done. I have let it cool for about an hour, and as you guys can see, it is looking absolutely delicious. And this recipe for this granola is very versatile. You can very easily add in if you want pumpkin seeds, or if you want almonds, or even if you want to add chocolate chips or M&Ms, whatever you want to add. You can take this recipe and you really can play it up. But I just wanted a really simple recipe this time for my granola. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to transfer my granola to my storage bowl. This is just where I'm going to keep my granola. Now as you can see, it's nice and clumpy. So here you have it. You have perfectly clumps of granola. It's healthy. It's good for cereal. It's good for a snack. Be sure to go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes like this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!